The girls get delicate brushes instead of the salty and fatty French fries out of the bag. They also get bright lip and eye pencils. No doubt that French fries is delicious. The pencils and the brushes are much more practical. You certainly need the sauce to go with the French fries, and we have the right one. It's new lip balm sauce. Cover a rectangular lip balm container with white acrylic paint. Print a sauce label and attach it to cardboard. Cut it out and attach to the lip balm lid. Add a layer of clear nail polish on top to make it shiny. I offer my friend to dip her French fries into the sauce. In other words, I offer for her to apply the lip balm using a brush, which failed to change into the French fries. Redhead puts on the balm. She seems to be happier with it, even more than with the sauce. Our cola is also special. It has a makeup brush instead of the straw, and there is highlighter on the bottom of the cup. Draw a wide curved strip on white cardboard and cut it out. Hot glue the edge of the strip to the lid of a highlighter. Attach the cardboard to the highlighter, forming a cup. Hot glue a plastic lid to the top of the cup. Cover the black bottom of the highlighter with white acrylic paint. Draw the signature M letter on the side of the cup and paint it yellow. Define the outline and make the letter voluminous using different shades of yellow. Cut a wide cocktail straw to be the same size as a makeup brush. Cut it in half and put it on the brush. Put on the same straw from the other side to hide the brush completely. Tuck it into the cup. The cola with a false bottom and a giant straw is a real treasure for spies. But I have only one mission, which is dolling up others and me. Redhead takes a big cheeseburger, but she won't manage to eat it. There is foundation hidden inside. Cut a foam plastic ball in half. Cut one half of it in half again. Trace the foundation container in the top part and cut out a hole. Cover the foundation with the foam plastic. Hot glue the lid into the hole and hot glue the bottom to the middle part. Cut off the excess foam plastic to let the lid open. Put a foam rubber sheet between two pieces of paper and heat it with an iron. Cover the foam plastic with the heated foam rubber, pull it up slightly to get the needed shape, and hot glue the foam rubber to the foam plastic. Cut off the excess, fold up the edges, and hide them inside. Decorate the bottom in the same way. Paint the foam rubber with a sponge and acrylic paint to make it look like a real bun. Hot glue a strip of green foam rubber around the bun, making waves so that it looks like a real lettuce leaf. Cut out two red foam rubber pieces to shape like tomato slices. Cut out a yellow foam rubber square with a hole inside to fit the size of the foundation container. This is a slice of cheese. Hot glue the cheese and the tomatoes around the foundation. Cut a thin strip of yellow foam rubber into tiny triangles and attach them to the top of the bun using stationery glue. I apply my burger foundation, but Redhead takes it away at the most inappropriate moment. A burger fight is about to start. Do you want it this way? Okay then, get a pattern on your cheek. But my friend returns the favor. She takes a piece of the French fries and draws a magical sign of the ancient Incans on my forehead. We keep painting on each other enthusiastically, but at the end of the day, both of us will have to wash it off. Did you like our food-shaped makeup? Then write in your comments which beauty menu you will order the next time. A foundation cheeseburger, an eyeshadow pizza slice, or a mascara chili pepper. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new ideas on Troom Troom.